Today I'm going to speak about something interesting stuff, guys. So today I'm going to show you how does the fake payment spoof method works. So be aware of this, guys. Nowadays it's happening a lot. So I'm just going to make you aware about it. So be aware about it. So let's get started with the video. So for this we will require two application. So as you can see on my screen, so I'm going to show you how does it get it work. So I will simply show you. So let's get started with the work. So I will simply open the first application for showing you how does it work. So after opening the first application, you can see four options on my screen after opening the application. So I will simply show you some demo that how does this application work as fake payment spoof. So I will simply open Google Pay. I will simply enter the receiver name here, a random receiver name. I will enter the receiver phone number, a random phone number. Receiver UPI ID, a random UPI ID over here. So I am simply showing you how does it works. So simply just see and learn from it. So a random name of a sender, UPI ID, so a random one again. Any random stuff you can add over here as per the information of the receiver or sender. Any random stuff. So I will click on advanced settings. I will enter a default ID over here. And the transaction ID over here. Okay, I will enter as it's shown on the top. Simply you can enter any random, but I am just making it more convincing to look for you people. So I'm just doing that so it will be more convincing. So I will simply click on submit after doing so. So you can see the same screen is been shown here as it's shown on the Google Pay. And if you want to make it more clear, simply click on the arrow button over there. So after clicking on the arrow button, you can see the same thing is been shown over here. If the person who is using this app, if it shows to someone, the people will believe that it's been done really. He has been paid really by the receiver, but the reality is that he has not been paid by the receiver or the sender, we can say. So this is how it gets done, guys. So simply I will click on back on my back button. So as you have seen, how does this Google Pay option works? The same, all this option works as same as this. So you can open Paytm, you can enter any random details over here. You can open Amazon Pay, you can enter any random details over here. Same as on Phone Pay. So all these things have been done the same way. But guys, on Phone Pay, you might get some issues, but other than that, all these things works perfectly. So I will simply minimize this app and I will simply remove it from minimization. After removing the app from the minimization, I will simply open the second app. So after opening the second app, I will simply click on three lines. I will simply click on Phone Pay. It has been already selected. So I will just show you how the Phone Pay works in this application. You can see there are only three options over here, not Amazon Pay. So only three options are over here. So I will simply enter a random receiver name. I will simply enter whatever it's been written over here. You need to write the same way, like whatever the instructions has been given here, you need to just write it in a random way. So just follow me. So I'm just entering the random stuff over here, as you can see. So this is how This is how nowadays some people pay to the receiver while using this application, and the receiver thinks that he have been received the payment from the sender, but the reality is that he has not been received any payment from the sender. So you can see, so I'm just entering a random digits over here. Anything I can enter. As you can see, you can enter the same anything, whatever you want to enter. So this is how the receiver gets the money, but actual he doesn't get any money, and he thinks that he had been get money. So no money from this fake payment spoof application, guys. So I will say again, stay aware from this application, such type of frauds. Stay away from such type of fraud. Okay, so I'll enter 12 digits number, any random 12 digits number. Okay, so I will enter. I'll simply click on the middle option, 340 600. Now you can see, guys, it is showing the same payment page on PhonePe as it's shown in here in this application. So it's been generated from this application, the fake payment page of PhonePe. So I will simply click on back. So be aware of this, guys. Nowadays it's happening a lot. So I will again say, you guys, be aware of this. So as same, you can see Paytm is there. Same thing you need to do in this application. Again, same on Google Pay you need to do. Same all these things you need to do. So guys, these two applications are very dangerous and very risky to use. So do not use this such kind of application. But if you are using this application, use it just for a fun. I will mention this application links in the comment box, in the comment section, guys, so you can get it downloaded from the comment section itself, or it will be in the description box. Okay guys, I hope you guys use this trick for fun and learning purpose only, and please feel free to contact us on Telegram and mention your doubts in the comment section. That's it for today's trick. See you guys in next week.